Alright, just a quick video on how to take the data from one of the sensors, back it up, and dump it into new one. This one I've already got some parameters changed, and this one's set to factory settings. I'm connecting to it with a Si-Link box and with Sopus. The Si-Link box is one of these things, and you can buy it off of SICK. The part number is 1061790. So this is the already programmed sensor. So first what we'll do is we'll connect to it, and you see it's already found it here in my tree. But what I'll do is I'll just hit the search. That way we get a fresh search of the device. And Sopus is going to scan your computer for anything SICK connected, whether it be either IO-Link or Ethernet or whatever connections you may have. Now we'll just drag this over. And once it loads, we'll just double click on this area here. And you can see that what I changed was I put in inch, GPM, stuff like that. So what we'll do is we'll just come here to device, and then we'll export. And we're just going to give it a name. I'm going to call it FTS091025A. So that's the new one that we just added. Now I'll close out of this. I'll take this device offline, and I'll delete it. Now the device is gone. Again, this is a new one. For the one that already parameterized, this is a new one that's set in factory settings. Just to make sure it takes, we'll go into the sensor first. So now again, I'll scan by clicking the default button on the bottom, just so it picks up that brand new sensor. It does, I'll grab this and drag it over. And we'll double click on it. We'll look at those same settings when I came here to setup page and then display. And you see it's millimeters, liter per minute, stuff like that. So now what I'll do is I'll just close out that. I'll take the sensor offline. I'll click these three dots, and now I'll import. And this is the one we just did, the 91025A. We'll click on that. We hit open. Now we'll take the sensor back online, and we'll write parameters. Now if I dial into the sensor, slide this over, you'll see that now I'm in inch. Just to verify this, as always, we like to cycle power on the device to make sure it did take the settings. So I'll unplug it, wait for about 10 seconds, and then we'll plug it back in, rescan, and we'll verify that those settings did take. I'm going to slide that over. And double click on the sensor itself. The green indicates that it is online. Come here and display we are in the new settings. And that's how you back up a sensor and download pre-set parameters in it via a backup file.